2020 started off in a bad light for residents of the cities and towns of Batangas and Cavite. The bustling activities in these provinces were put to a sudden halt when the skies were covered with ashes from the explosion of the Taal volcano. Almost a year later, with the compounding threats of COVID-19, affected residents are holding on to every ounce of hope and optimism they can get to survive the challenges at hand and up ahead. Patrick De Jesus shares the rest of the story.
This is the relocation site in Barangay Talaibon, Ibaan, Batangas for residents who previously lived in Taal Volcano Island. The area or land called as Pulo by residents has been permanently declared as no man's land. 600 families, mostly from San Nicolas town, are living in this relocation site. Almost a year after the Taal volcano eruption, we personally checked the present situation of the residents. The exact day when the tragedy struck, the first real surprise of this year, is still fresh in the memory of Belen.
Buti nga po't araw na sumabog yung kaya hindi masyadong natakot kami. Kita po yung mga pangyayari.
Alan, who was a fisherman when he still lived in Volcano Island, said their dreams in their island paradise ended up covered in ashes. He lost permanent livelihood and most of their properties are now gone.
Bago po namin naipundar, sa loob na maraming taon, sa isang iglap nawala. Pati yung mga pangarap namin na doon namin binuo, doon kami nagkaroon pamilya, nawala na pong lahat yun.
Some residents rely on relief items that are still being distributed to them, but they hope the recovery assistance promised them earlier will finally be handed out.
Mag-iisang taon na po ay wala pong pagsimula ng aking mga kabarangay at wala pa hong natatanggap mula sa ating calamity, totally damaged, financial assistance.
Signs of recovery can now be seen in Tagaytay City that was also badly affected by the volcano eruption. Many businesses are now open and tourism is almost back to normal. Despite all that happened, pandemic included, residents hope for a better 2021.
Sa akin, hindi na maulit. Nasa nasa panahon kung ano ba talaga mangyayari.
Filipinos are known for their resilience, as shown by displaced and marginalized residents who made it back to their feet by all means at hand. Their stories will be highlighted in PTV's Year-Ender Special. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.